Honors College was the defining characteristic of my time here at Grand Canyon University. Without the Honors College, I wouldn't have the mentors, the friendships, or the lessons that I really internalized and integrated with my everyday life. I wouldn't be where I am without the Honors College experience.
I graduated high school in 2016, and through the Honors College, I received a full tuition and fees scholarship. So that really made it a possibility. So I was really grateful to have received that scholarship from GCU.
At Grand Canyon University, I had a very rigorous schedule. As a nursing major and a dance minor, and then also an active student and employee within the Honors College. And I will always remember how Honors supported me throughout the program. In all of my classes, I really did feel like the honors components of my courses prepared me for my future career. I think that's something super attractive about the program.
Another thing we got to do is launch things like TEDx Grand Canyon University. Another thing is our literary journal on campus. So we were part of a lot of movers and shakers, and a lot of them were led by honors students and supported by honors students. So I was super excited to be a part of that.
Honors College truly gives their students the right time, right place, experiences continuously throughout the program.
I met amazing people. I had great mentors throughout my time here at GCU, and my experience really through the Honors College was what made my GCU experience really awesome.
One of my main mentors here at Grand Canyon University, and she still is my mentor today, is the Dean, Dr. Bree Nagley. She is one of the first faces that I actually met here at Grand Canyon University. And upon meeting her, I could absolutely see that she wanted me to succeed already. And I think that's how she makes all of her students feel.
The great thing about honors is mentorship is embedded in the curriculum along with the graduation requirements. Now, this isn't busy work. This is actual work for you to go that extra mile in your career once you graduate. But say you want to start a startup or join a tech company or do something with AI. There are connections that you can get at GCU, specifically in the Honors College, that you cannot get anywhere else.
Looking back at the Honors College, seeing how far it's grown, I'd love to see each of us Honors College alumni represent industries across the world, showcasing what we can do and what impacts that we can have.
I am excited to see the amount of individuals that they will impact, not only from a scholastic realm, but also how are they going to become as leaders in the community.
I absolutely would recommend the Honors College of Grand Canyon University. It was the defining characteristic of my experience in college, and primarily it was an opportunity for me to explore more about myself, understand how did I view the world, challenge me to articulate that, convey that to others, but then internalize how other people see the world. I appreciate now looking back 10 years, how much that friction, how much that discomfort, and how much that permission has paved the way to the quality of life that I have today.
If you want to meet amazing individuals who will spark a passion in you or things that you were not even aware of, the Honors College is perfect for you. Think about your future. Who do you want to be 5, 10 years from now? The Honors College could help you in that journey, but this is a you choice. At the end of the day, it is what you make it, and that is all of life's lessons, and that's something I learned at Honors College.